everyone. Have you had a chance to check out Prep Deck? It's been all over Instagram. We actually did a collab where we took our awesome patterns, their brilliant technology, and came together with a replacement of 45 everyday tools that you use prepping and serving in your kitchen. Let me tell you how brilliant this is. Let's start with the magnetic cutting board that actually becomes the foundation for the entire piece. It's actually knife blade safe, so you never have to worry about cutting on here. The beauty is also in the Triton containers. There are 15 total containers. 5 of your 20 ounce, 2 of your 4 ounce, and then 2 of your smaller ones, which are your 2 ounce. Look how brilliant this is. And I love the fact that it's all customizable. So you have 2 different prep bowls in here that, do you see how they just sit and float right on the top of there? I love that each one has a silicone seal, so it's going to help keep things airtight when you're prepping everything ahead of time. We also included a replacement for your measuring spoons. So you have measurements on all of the containers, measurements on here as well. It's absolutely brilliant. It gets even better. There's onboard storage, and on that onboard storage, you have all of the pieces that are a must-have in your kitchen, starting with this brilliant multi-function peeler. Okay, it's 2 peelers in one. So you have your straight peeler, you push this button, you give it a turn, and you then have your julienne peeler. You have your herb strippers here, and you also even have a bottle opener and a couple of other features that are fantastic. Wait, it keeps getting better. We included a zester. We included a grater. I know. We included your mandolin slicer, genius, and even a juicer, a garlic press, and that garlic press doubles as, of course, your guide on the mandolin, which is just brilliant. Okay, let's put it to work. I'm going to show you a couple of different things. I told you that it is knife safe to cut right on that cutting board, so I'm going to go ahead and slice through that lemon. Did you see how easy that was? Now, every container is universal, so every container can take one of these awesome tools that you would use in your kitchen, go ahead and line it up, and then let's go ahead and juice that lemon. So notice that I cut that lemon, and now I'm juicing that lemon all right there in one container. Love that. Let's talk about the mandolin slicer, because this is one of the things that I absolutely love. I'm going to peel first. Let's get this to the straight blade. I'm going to peel first my zucchini. Look, it actually glides through here like butter. That's what's amazing. Uber sharp pieces. Then give it a quick little twist, and now you have the julienne blade. Now you can do things like really fancy, right? When you want to julienne something. I love that. Then normally you would snap that mandolin right onto the container, but you can also use it just like this, back and forth, back and forth. I'm doing a little zucchini. And the reason I want to show you that is also uber sharp. You have the same thickness that you've sliced through each and every time. Wow, what a mess I've made, right? Well, what am I going to do with that? Well, while I'm prepping, while I'm putting everything away, I can be taking all of the peels, all of the skins. Everything has a place, which is so brilliant, and I can go ahead and tuck it away, and that actually becomes the trash drawer. So you can slide that right out. Everything that you're seeing here is over here. And everything that's over here, you have to store, you have to buy, and of course, that's not as compact and useful as all of these pieces. So this is why it is absolutely brilliant. This is why Prep Deck is one of those great pieces that every house should use. Every home makes cooking and prepping that much easier. The inventor and designer, Alex, truly believes in mise en place. Everything in its place. All right, now you saw me doing the prepping. Let's show you one that's completely finished, because this is what impresses me. This is what makes me want to cook again. All of those Triton containers. Remember we talked about multiple pieces in one? Here are my peppers. There's some of my herbs. 3 containers, 3 different things that I prepped. Here I have my carrots and my celery, and no one is commingling. So I can take those out and use them. Maybe I'm making a soup. Maybe I'm making a stew. Everything's been prepped ahead of time. Look here. Here I actually did all of my beautiful cucumbers. Remember, you have that mandolin blade, so super easy to do all of those everyday tasks we're all doing more and more as we get ready for food prep. Here I did some cabbage. Here I have some dill. I think you get the point. I also did my dry liquids and my liquids in the measuring spoons here. So everything you could possibly need. 4 amazing colors. Head on over to QVC.com to check it out.